Hey y'all, I did a order from Herrschners. Okay, so what Herrschners has is called milled ends, and you kind of know what you're going to get. They're unlabeled. I'm just getting into the box, so I want to do the unboxing with y'all. So this is, I didn't know what I was going to get as far as color. So loving the white. But I've got this green and only one blue. I don't know if I see any more in there. Mill ends, you know, it's the end of the production, and you get for real cheap. Okay, now this tells me it's fine cotton. Oh, it's fine cotton. It's cotton blend assortment, and that was all we knew I was gonna get. 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. We knew that there was going to be it was going to be fine, you know. Let's see, it says use size 3 hook. I knew it was going to be 437 yards per cake or skein. And I knew I was getting 2 things of 6 balls each, but I didn't know exactly what color. So this is nice. Wow. See, I can make a shirt, a top of some sort, a sweater, whatever. It's cotton. Yum. It feels great. See, it's unlabeled, so we don't know what brand it is. But who cares? Look at it. It's beautiful. So, real happy about this. Okay, so I have some more. I'm going to put this off to the side. I do have more of other yarns. So, let me see what's in there. Nothing is labeled, so we don't know what brand it is. But for the price, you need to check it out. It's at Herrschners, y'all. Herrschners. Okay? It is really a great deal. Ooh, so what is this? Oh my goodness. So wait, I've got 2 different colors in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of one color, 5 of the next. So in this one, we know it's a wool blend. I knew I was getting 2 pounds of wool blend. Like again, I said, pack contains 10 balls, right? 5 of one color, and loving the colors. Okay, so again, we don't know what we're getting, but it is a wool blend. Oh, nice. Kind of reminds me of this. Loops and threads facets. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Yeah, I want to take a look. Nice. Nice colors. This color, and then we have this color. Oh, wow. Okay. Beautiful colors. Y'all. So I wanted to do this unboxing for y'all because to show y'all. Okay, so I ordered 2 of those. So now I have 10 of each color. So that is enough to do something with. It's a 3. It's a light 3. And so 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So there's our blend. There's 237 yards per skein. And the pack comes with 10 balls. All I knew is I was getting 2 pounds. It said 2 pounds of wool blend assortment. So, and then they're priced accordingly. And I'm telling you, it is worth it. Okay? Let me set this aside. Let me dig in here some more. Okay, so under there, I bought a lot of these. These were like really inexpensive. Look at the colors. Okay, so I got quite a few of these because I think the same color as this one. I wanted to be able to make some type of table scarf with, I really like this color. I'm liking the purple. This color is my favorite, and I got the least of those. But, you know, that's what you get. So this is, I knew it was lace weight. I knew it was 87% cotton. I knew it was a cotton mill ends. So I knew it was going to be cotton. Okay. But it's 87% cotton and 13% polyester. So let's feel it. Let's feel it and see what it's feeling like. Here we go. Oh, it's nice. See, I can make a shirt with this. I can make, now it's not perfect. You see, there's some little something right there when you relax it, and right here. But it's not bad for what you pay. It's not bad at all. Ooh, nice. Nice. So I'll be able to make a table scarf. Maybe I have enough of this color, that I can double it up. I can double it up. And, or even triple it up and make a blanket or whatever I want. Now, I am loving this color. This is my favorite of the colors. I do like this purple. So, oh my goodness, 87% cotton, 13% polyester. When you go and you look, go to Herrschners, okay? Go on Herrschners website, and when you look, you will see their mill ends. This one's actually labeled that, where the rest didn't say that. But, and oh my gosh, let's look at this color. The drawback is that you don't always know what color you're getting. But look. Okay, now this one's got a little, you know what it is? One of the threads are pulled, but once you pull it out, it's good. Look. Okay, here's my end. Oh, it feels good, y'all. It's a good, I mean, to be lace weight, which is a 0. It tells you on the package here. This is good. This is good. I am very pleased with this. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all. The colors. The colors. I like this purple second. I like this one the least. But you know what? Once it's worked up, it might be okay. It might just be okay. So, all right, let me put this to the side. And I think I have one more in the box. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I got these. I got these and these. Okay, so this is worsted weight ombre. Now, it does tell you, you might want to get more than one package. This is worsted weight. So, I'm liking the purple, but with only 4. Where am I opening? Oh, here we go. With only 4, I'm not sure. Oh, gee. What, oh, nice. Nice. So it is 100% acrylic, but it's nice. I have 4 of the purple. This, you know, we don't know what brand it is. Made in Turkey. So this one doesn't say mill ends, but it is. It's mill ends. This is nice. This is really, really nice, y'all. The purple is really pretty. It's very soft. Very soft. And so that is my Herrschners load. I'm definitely excited about all the white I got that I showed you in the beginning. Let's see, here it is. This is supposed to peel open a little easier than this. Let's see. It's just breaking. This gray is pretty. This gray black. I'm just not sure what I could use only 2 skeins for, but it is soft. It's a beautiful ombre. I was, you know, you just kind of hope you get all one color. I probably should have gotten a few more of these, and I still can go back and get some in hopes of getting enough to create a project. But that's my Herrschners mill ends haul. And it's exciting. Oh my gosh. I think I'm most excited about my cottons. This is going to be fun to mess with. So if y'all follow me, y'all that follow me know I've been working on this blanket. It's the Flora Blossom blanket, and I'm using Loops and Threads facets, and this has been a joy to make. I thought I would end with this and have this as my background while we were here, because I don't get to show this in my lives as much. So here is my project that I've been working on, and if you haven't followed me, go ahead and follow me. But thanks for hanging out with me while I did the unboxing from Herrschners. Herrschners. Their mill ends are great, y'all. Okay, thank you. Bye.